So let's look at the integration method, integration by partial fractions. There's many occurrences of where you can use this, but one of the most common ones is where you have a trinomial in the denominator, and you can factor this out, and where you can factor it out pretty easily. So this is an example where you can factor out 2x squared minus x minus 3. So let's actually use this method to solve this integral. So first, we're just going to ignore the integral, and we're only going to look at the function. So 20 divided by 2x squared minus x minus 3. If you factor the denominator, you'll get 20 over 2x minus 3 times x plus 1. Now with this, what we can do is replace this with saying a over 2x minus 3 plus b over x plus 1. We're just separating the factors into each term, where the first term has one factor and the other term has another factor. And now what we can do is multiply the whole thing by 2x minus 3 times x plus 1, like this. And then this denominator will cancel off, and each respective factor here will cancel off. So the 2x minus 3 will cancel off, and x plus 1 will cancel off. So I'll show you what that looks like. So now a times x plus 1 plus b times 2x minus 3 is equal to 20. Now we can solve for a and b if we just set x equal to -1 and 3 over 2. And I got those values by setting this inside the parentheses, x plus 1 equal to 0. And if you have x plus 1 equal to 0, x is -1. 2x minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3 over 2. So first, let's say x equals -1. Now, this will get canceled off, so b times, now x is -1, so -2 minus 3 is -5, so -5b equals 20. So b equals -4. Now, if we set x equal to 3 over 2, then this will get canceled off, and 3 over 2 plus 1 is 5 over 2. So 5 over 2a equals 20. So a is equal to, it's the same thing as multiplying by 2 over 5, so 20 times 2 is 40, 40 divided by 5 is 8, so a is equal to 8. Now let's go back to these two terms here, and we can just plug back in our values. So a was 8, so 8 divided by 2x minus 3, and then b is -4, so minus 4 over x plus 1. Now we can actually integrate them a lot easier instead of having to deal with this whole trinomial mess. So we can rewrite this by removing the scalar multiply, so 8 times integral of 1 over 2x minus 3, and then minus 4 times integral of 1 over x plus 1. And now this is just simple ln. So 8 divided by 2, because the derivative of the bottom is 2. 2x minus 3, the derivative of that is 2. Integral, actually no, we're done with the integral. It's ln of the denominator, so 2x minus 3. And then minus 4 ln x plus 1 plus c. And this 8 over 2 is just 4. So, and this is our final answer. 4 ln 2x minus 3 minus 4 ln x plus 1 plus c. This is our answer. Question 2, we have find the integral of x minus 9 over x squared minus 2x minus 3. So once again, let's just ignore the integral and only look at the function. So, x minus 9 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals, and then we'll set it to a over, and one of the factors is x minus 3, and the other factor is x plus 1. And now, and this is equal to, actually we'll do that afterwards. Now we can say a times x plus 1 plus b times x minus 3 is equal to the numerator of the original function, which is x minus 9. And x plus 1 equals 0 will give us x equals negative 1. And if we plug that into the equation, a will cancel off, and b will be negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. So negative 4b equals negative 1 minus 9 is negative 10. So b is equal to 5 over 2. And then if we set x equal to x minus 3 equals 0, so x equals 3, then this will cancel off, and a will be a times 3 plus 1 is 4, so 4a equals 3 minus 9 is negative 6, so negative 6. A equals negative 3 over 2. Now if we plug these a and b values back into this over here, we'll get for a, or no, let's just a is negative 3 over 2 times x minus 3, plus b is 5 over 2 times x plus 1. And now let's take out the scalar multiplier, so negative 3 over 2 integral of 1 over x minus 3 dx plus, and this is going to be 5 over 2, so 5 over 2 integral 1 over x plus 1 dx. This is just going to be negative 3 over 2 ln x minus 3 plus 5 over 2 ln x plus 1 plus c. And this is our final answer. Question 3, we have find the integral of 4x over x squared plus 2x minus 3 dx. So the function we have is 4x over x squared plus 2x minus 3. And this is equal to 4x over, if you factor out the denominator, you'll get x plus 3 times x minus 1. And we can replace this with a over x plus 3 plus b over x minus 1. And now this is also equal to a times x minus 1 plus b times x plus 3 equal to the numerator of the original function, which is 4x. X minus 1 equals 0 will give us x equals 1. And then this will get canceled off, so b times x, or 1 plus 3 is 4, so 4b equals 4 times 1 is 4, so b equals 1. And then x plus 3 equals 0, x equals negative 3. So this will get canceled off. A times negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So negative 4a equals 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So a equals 3. Now let's plug the values back into these two terms. So a is 3, so 3 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x minus 1. And then the integral of them both, let's take out the scalar multiplier, 1 over x plus 3 plus the integral of 1 over x minus 1. And this is just going to equal 3 ln x plus 3 plus ln x minus 1 plus c. And this is our final answer.